What's the meaning of condenser? Condenser. Condenser.
Condenser. Condenser. A condenser is a device used to convert gases or vapors into liquid. It works by transferring heat from the hot vapor to a cooler surface, causing the vapor to condense into a liquid. The resulting liquid is often used in industrial processes, such as the production of pharmaceuticals and chemicals. Condensers are commonly used in refrigeration systems, air conditioners, and power plants to remove heat from steam generators and cooling towers. They are also used in distillation processes to separate different components of a mixture based on their boiling points.